Welcome to day 15 of our Microsoft Copilot Challenge. Today we're checking in on your progress and diving into the exciting world of vibe coding for beginners. You've successfully mastered basic AI tasks over the last 2 weeks. Now it's time to shift gears from productivity to the fundamentals of vibe coding as we head into the next phase of the program. So what is vibe coding? It's the ability to use plain, simple language to communicate with GitHub Copilot, allowing you to create complex software without traditional coding expertise. We use Microsoft 365 Copilot for business tasks like drafting emails and analyzing data. For vibe coding, we transition to GitHub Copilot to write code, build websites, and explain technical logic. To get the best results, remember this formula. Great prompts require a clear ask, a defined audience, a specific format, and the right tone. You can apply this formula directly in your text documents. Simply tell Copilot what to do, who it's for, and how you want the output structured. The same formula works for data and spreadsheets. Ask Copilot to visualize your growth or highlight specific cells to keep your analysis on track. The best part is that you don't need prior coding experience to use Visual Studio Code. Copilot acts as your guide to help you set up projects easily. Simply describe exactly what you want to build in the Copilot chat window, and it will begin the process for you. When Copilot writes code for you, it will appear in gray. All you have to do is press the Tab key to accept the suggestion. Be specific with your instructions. Tell Copilot exactly how you want your application to look and function, including design preferences like modern styling. Need to understand a piece of code? Just highlight it and ask Copilot to explain it. It will break down the logic into clear, understandable points. Copilot is intelligent. It remembers your preferences. Once you establish your coding style or preferred explanation method, it will apply those habits to future tasks. To get better, try practicing for 30 minutes every day. Pick a task, write your prompt, review the output, and save your successful prompts to build your library. Save your prompts, share your wins, and get ready to start building. We'll see you on day 16 for more hands-on action.